Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 12 o'clock chalk time. It is Thursday, and today here in Chalkspiration, it's Transfer Thursday. And so I'm excited to share with everyone all the different ways that you can use just one transfer. Already folks coming on. There's my cousin Wanda. Hi, Mama. Let's see if I can get this rolling. Let's see if my phone wants to load, because I want to make sure I get your comments. And so I am wanting to get on here. And so as you all are hopping on during your lunch time, I so appreciate you guys sharing your lunch break with me during our 12 o'clock chalk time session here. All right, here we go. Got it on. Awesome. Real quick, wanted to just share it with some folks. Amazing. All right. Awesome. Alrighty, guys, like I said, it's 12 o'clock chalk time here at Chalkspiration. My name is Shayla Jimenez, and I'm an independent designer with Chalk Couture. And I'm excited today because, like I said, it's Transfer Thursdays. And what that is that we're going to use one transfer and use it on many different surfaces so that you can see all the different options and ideas on how to use that one transfer. And so if this is your first time coming on with me and you get to catch the live, then welcome. But if not, and you're catching the replay, then welcome. Hi, Carmen. And so we are going to get started. I wanted to show just a little bit of the different things that I decided to do with this one transfer. This transfer is called I Can Do Hard Things. And if you can see, it's in two pieces. And so it comes like this, and then you would just grab your scissors and just kind of cut it across the line. There will be a lined kind of like indentation where you could see the perforation of where you would cut. And so this is a two-layer process. You've got the bottom layer, which is the can part, and then you've got the top part. So I want to explain that. So what is on the white is what's going to go over here so that your word can be in two colors. And so I'm excited to share that. I went ahead and did some projects this morning and had such a wonderful time. Here's one right here. If you see the shirt where it says I Can Do Hard Things, I did that with our bright white ink. So I used the ink on the shirt, but I only used the one layer. I only used the top layer for the shirt because I wanted that pink to come in through the word can. So you see I did that with the ink. If you can see the circle right above here, that is one of our Chalk Couture surfaces. And I did that as I can do hard things, but if you see that, I did that in the Couture teal and in the bright white. And so these are the two colors that I used to make that up there. And so I did the bottom part in the Couture teal, and then I did the top part on top into the white. Okay, so that's just two, and I'll show you two more as we get going. But those are the colors that I used for that. And so what I thought I'd use today is I usually get these like at, you could pick this up at Walmart. It's kind of like a little plastic clear stand that you can write things on. And so I love it because you're able to slip different sheets, different cardstocks to personalize it. Usually what you would do is you would have something printed on here. But I usually use this with my dry erase marker and I write my notes on it. I'll write notes or I'll write the question of the day. And so it helps me to stay organized. And I thought, why not use one of these to try to use this transfer with? And so I'm only going to use the top part, but when you would use the two layers, so I'm going to place this down so y'all can see. So what you would do is that you would place your bottom layer first, and then you would go ahead and put onto your paste of choice. Then you would let that dry. Give it about good 5 minutes. If you are using a blower, then you would just blow dry it and just wait that your surface is not hot, that it's cooled down before you would put your top layer on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use our top layer here. I can do hard things. And so I love the message. Yes, Carmen, I love the message that it says that you can do hard things if we just put our mind to it and overcome our fears and go ahead and attempt it, right? So we're going to go ahead and apply it here. I love that I was able to find a little border here so that I could kind of center this transfer. Now I've used this guy a couple times, and so I'm not necessarily wanting to fuzz too much, but I thought I'd just use it once because I am putting it on a plastic surface and I want to be able to peel it off pretty well and pretty quickly. So this is called fuzzing, which we want to pick up a little bit of the fibers from the fuzzing cloth so that our transfer doesn't adhere too much onto our surface, so it makes peeling to reveal much easier. And so I hope everyone is having a wonderful week. We are almost done. We have one more day. I can't believe how fast this week has gone by. And so I'm just eyeballing it here. And so if you see, I'm pressing into the center, and then with a squeegee or with your hands, you kind of just go ahead and smooth out all of the bubbles. And if you feel like you can't get one out, you just lift up the transfer a little bit and continue to do that outward motion to get all of the bubbles out. So I had a blast doing these crafts this morning with all the different surfaces that I did. Like, I love that t-shirt with the ink. I had a good old time. I think it's just cute. It's great for children as well to put on their shirts, especially with school starting. And so I thought that was really, really cute. Okay, so I placed it on here. And again, I love these little plastic stands. Like I said, I got it at Walmart. I love these plastic stands, especially for teachers, because you can put a wonderful message on there and then just change the backing with different colors to match the month or your classroom, or even here at home if you want to do that for your children or just kind of change it up. So I really like this little piece. So we're going to go ahead and use today, I kind of thought I'd use our currant jam to kind of match with the pink that you see in the leopard border. And so this is our currant jam. It is our Chalkology paste, which is water soluble, so it does wash off on your surface. And so what we like to recommend is that you stir it up and make sure it is a yogurt consistency, which it is. Look, it's beautiful. I don't have to add any water to this one, but if you needed to, you would just go ahead and just spray a little bit of water and stir it up, and you're good to go. Hi, Catherine. And so again, today we are doing that I can do hard things, and it's Transfer Thursday, where we're going to show many different surfaces using just that one transfer. And so we're going to go ahead and get started with our currant jam and just spreading on here. And I like to interact with my viewers. So this morning, as I was doing these projects, I was saying, what kind of question could I ask my viewers? And I came up with this wonderful question, especially us shoppers, that when you see something you like, do you buy just the one item, or do you buy it in all colors? So if you like something, when you find something that you really like, do you buy it in all colors? Give me hearts if you buy it in all colors, or give me a thumbs up if you just buy that one or that one color. So for me, oh boy, if I find something that I really, really like, especially a top or an outfit, I do actually go and try to find how many colors I can get it. Hi, Kiara. And so, yeah, I see some hearts come in here. Yes, I'll find it in all colors because it's kind of sometimes hard to find something that you really like. So I buy it in all colors. And so I thought that was a fun question to ask so that we can get to know each other a little bit. So I'm just spreading and now I'm scraping up the leftover paste and then quickly going ahead and seal up my jar so I can go ahead and peel and reveal. And so I like to show my viewers. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but let's see if I can do this. So let me go ahead and get the side peeled up a little bit. Awesome. And then I'm just going to go ahead and it's pretty big transfer here. And so I'm just going to peel. I don't know if you all can see that. To reveal. Look how great, look how cute I can do hard things. That's such a wonderful, positive message. And I think that came out cute with that current jam, kind of matched this. So I wanted to show a couple other things that I did this morning. I actually did a shadow box. Look at this shadow box right here. And so I used the colors. Let me place this down for a minute so it dries. So I used the color almond for the light color, and I used our shimmer gold. So these are the two colors that I did for the shadow box. And I thought this was a great fun project to do. It's a reminder and encouragement for me to do hard things. And inside, I thought of putting some notes of things that I want to accomplish, things that I found that were like hard to do, or maybe I'm not going to be able to do it. And I thought, what a great idea to do a shadow box with this. So this is the shadow box idea that I did with these colors. And then I thought, okay, I wanted to dress it up, a little bit of fall decor. And so I actually did it on a frame. I put it on the frame and added just a little bit of a bow, some burlap flowers, and I thought, how cute is this? And so if you can see this one I only used the top layer. I didn't use the bottom on this one. That is why you can see the orange through the bottom. And so, but with the shadow box, I actually did do the two colors. Like you see right here where the can is, I did the bottom in the gold and the top in the almond. With the shirt, I just used the one layer for with the ink, and so that way you can see the pink coming through the can. But with my wreath up there and my surface, our round surface is 10 inches. That is a chalk couture surface. I actually did the two layers. That's why you can see the teal in the word can. And so look how cute these are. I absolutely loved Transfer Thursdays because you can use that one transfer in so many ways, and I just thought, how fun is that? So guys, thank you guys so much for watching on Transfer Thursday. If you enjoyed any of the projects that I just did and you want to get whether the colors or that surface or the transfers, then give me the word #shop and I will send you the link to all of the wonderful items to make your wonderful project. I'm just falling over with all these pastes. I'm loving this medium of chalking everything in my home. But if you want to join the VIP, where we're going to be able to do longer tutorials with much bigger projects and bundles and discounts and specials and all that goody stuff, and where we can get to know each other, then go ahead and give me the word #VIP and I'll make sure to give you the link to join our VIP group. If you love what you see and you're like, I want to do what you're doing and I can do this as a business, then give me the word #biz and I will give you all of that information. Remember, we are here every Monday through Friday at 12 o'clock noon Central, hence the word 12 o'clock chalk time. And I just really enjoy having you guys come on with me, whether live or replay, and learning about doing your own DIY home decor for your home. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, tomorrow is Fabulous Friday, and I love Fabulous Friday, where we're going to do fun and funky designs with our transfers, and also is where where I give my prize giveaways for those that come on and watch with me. So don't forget to miss tomorrow. Until then, have a great lunch break and have a wonderfully blessed day.